Hello everyone, talk about a very useful software for UI UX designer, that is Figma. So if you are a Figma user, then you maybe know the latest Figma software may make an update, and that is Figma make their interface in dark mode. So today I will show you how you make your interface dark mode at Figma software. So for this you have to visit or open your Figma software in your browser or in your desktop app, and after that you have to you have to go file, then preference, then theme, and here you see three options like light, dark, and system theme. System themes means all things will be dark except the ruler, options. Like all the things are dark but except this one, just ruler is white or light version. But when you uh, active dark mode, all things are black, like now, like this. Now all the things are black, uh, like these areas and other things, and here you see ruler also uh, dark. And if you uh, wanted to light version of Figma, then just click here light. First file, then preference, then theme, and then light. Right now this is light version or light theme of Figma. This is actually old style of Figma. And if you wanted to dark version of Figma, then go to file, then preference, then theme, and then dark. So this is our today's video. If you have any feedback, then please let me know. Actually this is my new channel, so I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any feedback, then please feel free to share with me. And also you can share my YouTube video in any your social media or with your friends and family, so that they can know about my video and they can uh, benefit from my video. So that's all my video. Thank you.